yeah, I forgot to tell you. We bought another one. It was shiz, blown motor, blown tranny. We chopped it all off. And we stuck it on here and molded it.
She'll be drifting by tonight.
Yeah, that's our promise. 30 minutes or free.
Jimmy John's.
And I'm just sitting here dancing while Bailey's swallowing. And this is Russian music for Russians. We are on trending now. Make us trend. Also, Ken Blog, you want to sponsor us? Ken Blog, we'll weld your car. Thank you.
They're pretty good.
Excuse me.
It works.
I ain't dissing.
It works.
I ain't dissing. Wait, so we gotta do all this.
Yeah, we'll get some Bondo.
All this.
All this. This. Also, we got a project truck. Hey, this is the next drag truck. Forget Street Outlaws with their farm truck. Yeah, this thing's gonna chop. Look at that coyote. Ooh. Just kidding. I don't think you know two people with broken RX-8s. Here, I'm done filming.
Alright, let's turn this sucker down.
What'd you do?
Better buy it quick. It's got a sunroof.
Yeah, sunroof. Is that glass like it's curved?
Yeah, dude.
Slayer. Blending the panels.
Yeah, you're really good. Just go work at Jones Paint and Glass. Sorry.
Look at all those chickens.
That's a big hole. Just like grab it, eat it.
Anybody needs a chicken?
Yeah.
Just kill that one.
Just go grab it and eat it. Basically, ration.
All you gotta do is hold this.
They say I'm a ration. And I'm like, whoops, here.
Right here.
Oh.
Hold it.
The bar. Hold the bar.
You understand? Hold this out.
Okay.
Ofa.
Oh, frick, it's spinning. You're gonna ruin your camera.
It's gonna ruin my eyes.
No, you won't. Here, try it on your phone. The creepy glasses.
Here's protection. It's just like a mirror, bro.
Really?
I can't say anything except myself.
Spark just landed my hand.
Probably shouldn't be staring right at this freaking welding.
Huh? Oh.
They go through? Oh, did you just weld?
weld clamp to it. We just have a clamp poking out.
That's the shiz.
We could turn this into. I know what we do to make this thing sell.
We're not. Are we selling it?
Yeah, my dad said we have to. But we can go to AutoZone. I've seen the best aftermarket hood scoops I've seen ever there. They stick right on. You don't have to drill a hole.
No, we're making something new. Stig Tig. We're burning through the shiz and we have it turned down a lot, so we're just gonna try to Stig Tig.
Stick kick. Booyah, grandmama. Oh, frick. Took his. Oh, I accidentally gave you sparkler. That'd be pretty dank.
About to go run and get some epoxy.
You look fine.
Update. When he got Arby's and some Bondo shiz while he was slaving away. Look at those pristine machines. It's working pretty good. We're just gonna get it as good as possible. I'm not.
That looks pretty good.
What, the TIG stick? It freaked it up? Okay,
It's
welder back
aluminum.
off.
Oh, it is aluminum.
You don't.
Sorry.
Just yeet the rod. Yeah, once you throw it through the glass.
Yeah, this is our shiz.
Anthem.
So red, dude.
West Mountain Anthem. You're gonna give yourself sand eyes.
I probably have sand eyes. I don't get enough. Ow! I got sand in my eye.
Update.
What the orange one in?
Fender's back on. We're doing the headlight wire got cooked, so we're putting welds on it. Welds with the soldering iron.
We're soldering the headlights because I accidentally burned them.
But air box is back in, fuse box is back in. You gotta put the horn back on. Headlight, fender, bumper, hood, and we're done. Yeah, I don't know. As long as it's pretty bunk, it's not. We didn't spot weld this shiz. The Butte. This side's good. It's the left side that got destroyed. Besides the shiz bumper, I mean, it's all we had. The panel gaps, pretty terrible. But it turned out pretty decent. We have a running and driving RX-8 again. That doesn't look like it got in an accident besides some scratching and this. Booyah, Grandma.